Hello friends, welcome to Artistic Therapy Zone. Today we are going to make this beautiful dot art mandala poster. If you like how we are going to use our homemade tools as dotting tools, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe Artistic Therapy Zone. We have used a 4 by 4 inch poster and painted it black. Now you can see all these dotting tools like lip liner, eyeliner, brushes of various size which can become your dotting tools without spending extra money. So we are using even pencil tip, refill tip like that. You just need to apply a creative side to search the dotting tools in your home. See how we are making perfect dots even with our DIY dotting tools. If you want to check what all are the tips and tricks that are used, you need to go and watch a full detailed YouTube tutorial uploaded on our channel. Hope you guys enjoyed this DIY dotting tools tutorial. If you like the idea, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Art you all. Bye bye. See ya.